Hello, friends. If you are on Medicare or Social Security right now, what I am about to say in the next 60 seconds is going to be uncomfortable. $202.90 leaves your Social Security check every single month. That is the Medicare Part B premium. Deducted automatically before your 3 federal programs run through your state Medicaid office can pay that entire amount, not as a discount, not as a partial credit, but as the full. The people who qualify and never apply keep losing that money every 30 days, and the deduction continues month after month, stopping only the day that state if your income in 2024 was above a certain amount. Even for just that 1 year because you sold a home, received a pension, or had any one-time event. Medicare may be charging you a surcharge. There is a form that removes the surcharge for people who qualify. And most people receiving that extra charge have never heard of it. Other videos are reporting the income threshold that triggers this surcharge at the wrong number. We correct that today using the figure the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services published. If you own your home and you are 65 or older, there is almost certainly a senior property tax exemption in your county that can reduce. It does not apply automatically. You have to file a form with your county assessor. According to AARP research, more than 90% of senior homeowners, and the bill has been arriving at full price every single year. And if any one of those 3 situations is yours, you are in the right place. We are going through all 5 programs today with exact thresholds from the Social Security. By the time we reach the last item, number 2, you will see. Make it to the end. Quick context before we begin. This video is for seniors and pre-retirees on Medicare who want to know exactly which programs may apply to their situation. Everything here comes from publicly available official sources, including the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services and the official Medicaid. This is educational content only, not personalized financial, and nothing here promises any viewer any specific payment or benefit. Before, speak with a licensed professional who knows your specific circumstances. Now, let us get into what matters for you. 5 program. The one where the gap between who qualifies and who has actually ever filed is. Number 5 is property taxes. Every state has at least one program or partially eliminates the annual property tax bill for senior homeowners. And many of these programs reach well beyond the lowest income levels. New York raised its enhanced star income limit this year. Illinois raised its senior freeze income cap to $65,000. Fewer than 1 in 12 eligible senior homeowners has ever applied for any of this. More than 8 million people are paying full property tax bills right now. But because the county assessor never automatically applies a senior discount when you turn, the bill keeps arriving at the full amount year after year until the day you file the form yourself. In states that freeze your assessed value, one filing protects you from every. Pause here and write this down. Search your county name. Then the words Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026. Number 3 is energy assistance. The Low-Income Home Energy Assistance provides annual energy help to qualified households, paid directly to your. Many videos describe this incorrectly, so let us be clear. LIHEAP is not a monthly discount on your bill. It is a seasonal benefit, a one-time annual payment per benefit period for the heating or cooling season, sent directly to your utility. What makes this urgent right now is that the summer cooling assistance window is open in most states, and it is first served. When a state's allocation runs out, the window closes. Federal LIHEAP funding for 2026 is approximately $4 billion according to the department, but each state's share runs out at a different rate. Apply early? Dial 211. The National to reach your LIHEAP office within minutes. Number 1 is the Part $202.90 every month, pulled from your Social Security payment before it reaches your account. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services confirmed that as the standard 3 programs under the Medicare Savings Program's umbrella. Run through can pay that premium entirely if your income falls below certain thresholds. The most comprehensive is QMB. The Qualified Medicare Beneficiary. QMB covers not just the Part B premium, but your deductibles and coinsurance, meaning everything Medicare normally asks you to pay. The income limit in most states is $1,350 a month per the official Medicare website. Already, including the standard SLMB and QI both extend coverage to somewhat higher incomes. None of these programs enrolls you automatically. You apply through your state Medicaid, and the deduction continues every month until you do. Keep that detail in mind, because it connects directly back to the Number 4 is the IRMAA surcharge and the federal IRMAA. The income-related monthly adjustment amount is added to your Part B premium when your modified adjusted gross income from 20. Surcharges run from about $81 to nearly $500 a month above the base premium, per the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Here is the key correction. Other videos are reporting the income threshold that triggers IRMAA as 100. The confirmed figure from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services for 2026, based on your 2024 tax return, is 109, 6,000 higher than what those other sources are reporting. If your 2024 income fell between those two numbers, you owe no. The 2-year look-back rule is what catches most retirees off guard. A home sale or any one-time lump sum in 2024 can produce a surcharge. The appeal is Form SSA 44. Qualifying events include retirement, loss of income. Write this down. 60 days from the date on the notice is your appeal window. After 60 days, you wait until the next full annual recalculation. Consider Dorothy, an illustrative composite of a real and very common. She is a 71-year-old retired school administrator from Ohio who sold her. That sale pushed her reported income for that year to approximately $127,000, but Medicare's 2-year lookback had applied her 2023 return and added a. She then filed Form SSA 44 with the Social Security Administration, submitted documentation of her current income level, and had the surcharge removed. That is exactly how Form SSA 44 was designed to work. Number 2 is extra help for prescription drugs, also called administered by the Social Security Administration. Extra help caps your Medicare Part D drug costs at $5.10 for with no premium and no deductible, regardless of what the drug actually costs. The income limit for a single person in 2026 is $23,000 per the Social Security Administration. Some sources report this as that is the wrong figure for 2026. And here is the connection. If you qualify for QMB, SLMB, or you are already enrolled in extra help automatically. No second. The moment your Medicare savings program is processed, extra help activates 2 programs, 1 application. The people who know this file one. The people who do not know keep paying full price at the pharmacy every single month. Here is the full picture. Number 5, property taxes. Savings repeat every year, and more than 90% of Number 3, LIHEAP. Annual Seasonal Energy Assistance paid. Summer window open now. First come, first served. Income ceiling of $1,350 a month for QMB as a single, not automatic. Apply through your state Medicaid office. Confirmed 2026 threshold is $109,000 for single filers based on not $103,000. Form SSA 44, 60 days from the date on the notice. Number 2, extra help. Income ceiling of $23,475 per year from the Social Security Administration. And enrollment in any Medicare savings program automatically means you are enrolled in with no additional step required of you. 3 things to do right now. 3. Search your county name plus Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026 this week. Every year you wait is a year of savings you cannot get back easily. 2. Go to the official Medicare website and find the Medicare Savings Programs page if you are anywhere near the QMB income threshold. Apply anyway, because some states have limits above the federal minimum. 1. If you received an IRMAA notice, and the date on it is within, and your 2024 income was elevated by a one-time event. Contact the Social Security Administration about Form SSA 44 before acting on any of this. Speak with a licensed professional because state rules and income calculations vary in ways that matter to your specific. If you know someone who received an IRMAA notice this year and set it aside because they did not send them this video today. The 60-day window does not pause while one conversation can save someone hundreds of dollars a month. Subscribe and turn on the bell so the next update reaches you before any deadline closes. Coming next on this channel, a complete walkthrough of Form SSA 44, every section, every document you need to attach. If number 4 was the part of today's video that you needed most, that next